welcome back to my channel. For my new subscribers, my name is Ruby. You guys, it's been I think like a month and a half now that I haven't posted on my YouTube channel, and I do have a reason for that. But I think I will be filming a separate video besides this one. That way I can just, you know, tell you guys like detailed by detailed everything that has been going on in my life. Some exciting stuff has been happening. So, you know, I kind of took time off from YouTube and just focused on that for a while. You know, sometimes you just get caught up like into like all your social media stuff that you really forget about like your real life, like literally like your life, like your private life, like your family, everything that's going on around you, and you just focus on social media. So kind of took a break from that, but today is the day that I am back. I'm so excited, and for today's video I will be doing this Smokey Neon look. I hope you guys like it. So if you guys want to go ahead and see how I came up with this look, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video, and let's get started. Okay, so obviously you guys see I already did this eye. I already finished my brows. I already primed my eye, and all I'm doing is just patting down the concealer, which it's already dried. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's just a habit. Like whether it's dry or wet, I just like to take the sponge and just pat it down. Lately I've been in love with like all the neon shades. As you guys can see, if you guys do follow me on Instagram, I've been posting there every single day, and literally like all my looks for like the past week and a half have been neon colors. Okay, so for this look I will be using the James Charles palette, and I will be taking this light brown. I'm going in with the Anastasia brush. This one has been my favorite lately, just to blend out everything really well. As you guys can see, this shade is not really noticeable. You have to keep packing it on, but either way I don't want it really dark, just because this is my transitioning shade. And that way I won't have like a hard time blending out the black and the brown. Okay, so once I have that really blended, I will be taking some black eyeliner gel. And I'm going to go ahead and take this one from Pretty Vulgar. Obviously you can go ahead and just take, you know, like the black shadow straight onto your lid, but it's not going to be exactly really black and smoky as if you would apply some gel liner or like a black base. You guys have to be really careful with this black gel, because obviously if you do apply a lot, it's going to go everywhere and it's going to be really hard to blend. And it's gonna scare you because you're not gonna know what to do with all this black gel all over your lid, and it's just gonna go out of hand. Okay, so I'm taking my Pixie brush, which looks like this, a small detailed fluffy brush. I'm just gonna start blending out the edges slowly. This does take time, guys, so you guys do have to have patience. You guys, what the hell, I messed up. Oh my god, where I was talking so much. Okay, I'm gonna have to take some off from the front, because obviously I didn't want to apply some there because the orange neon is gonna go there. Okay, so now that I have this kind of blended, as you guys can see, it's not really blended, but that's because I will be applying some black shadow on top of that, on top of this eyeshadow. So I'm just going in with that black shadow, just tapping motions. I'm just buffing out any harsh edges that I do have very lightly, because if you do go in really harsh, you're just going to create a new line, and it's going to be a lot harder for you to take out that line. Okay, so then for my inner corner, I will be applying this orangey reddish shade. And then on top of that, I will be applying the neon shade, which I will show you guys ahorita. The reason I'm applying that shade first is just so I can go ahead and blend it out, and then I can go back in with the neon and just kind of pat down everything together. And right here in between these two shades, you want to just go ahead and pat to blend that harsh line. Okay, and then the neon shade I will be taking is going to be this one. Of course, from JC Cosmetics. You guys know I've been talking about them a lot every single day on my post. They are bomb AF. You have to start out little by little, because if not, this can go south. I think that's how you say it. It can get a little fucked up, but... Okay, so once I have that blended, I will be applying my lashes. And you guys, my lashes that I will be using today, they are so bomb. As you guys can see, I mean, obviously you can tell the big difference. Right here I'm not wearing anything, and right here it's like bam, like they are so bomb. And they are from Tata Lashes. Like, she sent me these lashes and they're so freaking beautiful. So thank you so much, girl, if you're watching. I really do appreciate these lashes. They are bomb AF. The ones that I will be using are Leilani, which are these. As you guys can see, these are not your average lashes. These are so cute and they're different and they're so fluffy and long. That's what I love about them, that they are super long. If you guys know me, you guys know that I always have to have lashes on, and I have to have like this, not, I wouldn't say exaggerated look on my face, but I just love having like everything so glammed out on my face. I guess that's the word that I can say. I do have a discount code with them as well, so I will be putting it down in the description box below and then somewhere right here on the screen. That way you guys can go ahead, if you guys do want to go ahead and purchase from her website, you guys can use my code and you guys will save money on there. Okay, so this is how they look up close. They're so wispy but fluffy at the same time. I love them. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild primer, luminous primer, I believe. Yes. Okay, and then my foundation is the Photo Focus Stick Foundation in Vanilla Beige. Okay, so don't judge my sponge. It's a little dirty. I haven't had time to clean it. Okay, and then for my concealer, I'm using the Fit Me concealer, and I believe this one's in the shade number 20. I used to have the 10 and the 20, but I ran out, and this one's running low as well, so I need to go ahead and buy some more. My favorite concealers right now at the moment is the Fit Me one or the ColourPop one. Just setting it with the RCMA powder. I do wet my sponge a little bit just so it won't apply really dry onto my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face. I'm not really gonna contour, like go into details. I'm just gonna use this bronzer. And you guys, this is my favorite bronzer right now at the moment. It smells so freaking good. I've talked about it in my past videos. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so I'm using the Trends Beauty highlight palette, the Unicorn Dust, and I'm going in with this one, and this one's in the shade Mystical. Okay, so I went ahead and applied the black gel liner to my lower lash line, and then I just smoked it out with the same black gel liner. And then I did apply a little bit of black shadow, and then after that I did apply the brown shadow, the one that I used for my transitioning color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this side real quick. And then I will be applying some of the neon shade down here, just a little bit, just to connect to this black liner. So this is the final product. I really hope that you guys liked it, and I'm so glad to be back. Like, it felt so good just filming, like not worrying about anything, just filming, sticking to my makeup, and just talking to you guys about how I'm doing my makeup, how I'm applying it, and everything. Just feels so good. And you guys, I just want to go ahead and tell you guys, if you guys are following me on Instagram, I appreciate you guys so much. I just hit 6K. I think like 3 weeks ago I had hit 5K, and I just hit 6K last night, so I'm so thankful for y'all. So stay tuned because I am going to be doing a giveaway. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. That way you guys can stay tuned on all my looks, keep up with all my looks, and see if I post any giveaways on there. So like I said, if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to, before you guys do exit this video, hit the little bell to get notified. Give me a big thumbs up if you guys did enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.